We are going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor research. We are also going to try and find some more content for the product and try to find local suppliers as well. Okay, let's dive into it. Let me play the video for you.
Ever notice how the hair on the back of your neck seems to grow much faster than on top of your head? However unsightly it may look, there's no need to make a special trip to the barber just for a trim. Forget guessing about whether you properly trimmed your neck, or straining your neck to see in the mirror. NeckMate ensures a straight and even hairline every time in less than 1 minute. Get the truly one-size-fits-all trimming guide that is exceptionally easy to position and always stays in place.
So you get the idea. This is going to help you take care of your neckline. And let's do some computer research and see if there is any dropshipper selling this product. And for that, we just have to click on this button, and then we can go to the Shopify tab, and we can see bunch of results here. But all of these results are from the official NeckMate store. Okay, so there is just NeckMate selling its own product, and if I have not done patent research, so you would have to look into that. But let's try and find some videos for this product, and for that all we have to do is copy the title of the product and go back to the dashboard of Superally, paste the title, select videos only, and in the import date select all time and hit search. Okay, so as we can see, there is one video, one product with the video, and if you scroll down there is another one. Obviously this is a similar product, that's why we are getting this in result as well. And here is another one. So you basically you get the idea, right? Like we found 4 or 5. Now all of these products can have the same content, it can have different content. You would have to open it and check it out. Let's try and find some local suppliers. Okay, let's go to United States and hit search. Same concept, keep the title just in the shipping zone, select United States. Okay, and get rid of the videos only. As you can see, there is 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you scroll down you will find more suppliers, and as you can see, they're not just shipping from United States, they're also shipping from Spain. Then there is someone shipping from Poland, which is a different product. They're shipping from France, UK. So you can do all of that. Just go to the local supplier thing and you can select the country that you are looking for a supplier from, and you are done. That's about it. And I hope that let me know how this product works out for you, and I hope to see you in the next video.